That was all of this pullback. When the rest of the world is freaking out, American Dream Trading is making money right there. Look at this. Now, if you look at Tesla, this pullback to 219.53 here, right? It just did it again, real close. It hit to 65. If you're still strong in it, this is the buy to re-add. Otherwise, listen, you don't have to just keep buying in. Just let the runners run, and it will make you more money. Because remember, every time you guys buy or add in, you're adding risk, right? It can go against you. You're averaging the price, right, to the wrong side. So I don't always like to continue to add in. I'd rather let my runners run and make my money.